Okay, this is the California CBEST sample exam. We're on the mathematics section, and this is number 16. Number 16 has to do with positive and negative numbers, as you can clearly see, and it's just going to test your skill in working with those numbers. The expression negative 105 plus negative 14 plus 34 simplifies to which of the following? Well, the first thing I would do is just look at this carefully, because what you're going to want to do is combine these numbers, and you want to do it in the easiest way possible. If it were me approaching this problem, I would take these two together first. So I'm going to go like this: 34 minus 14 gives me 20. Okay, so I've got a positive 20 here. All right. Now I would urge you to use your positive and negative symbols here so you don't get things confused when you're dealing with positive and negative numbers. All right, so now what we're left with is negative 105 plus 20 equals, what's the best way to calculate this answer? Well, now you may intuitively know that if I take 105, okay, and subtract 20 from it, I'll be left with 85, and then I need to bring that negative symbol over here. Now that may be intuitive, but it's working the problem out in your head, and once again you probably should try to stay away from that. What I'm going to do is erase this, and I'm going to solve this in a correct way and suggest that it's the way that you should solve it as well. The way to do this is, let's take this side, multiply it by negative 1, and if we multiply the left side by a negative 1, then we have to multiply the right side by a negative 1. And if we do this, we'll get a 105 minus 20 is equal to a negative x. All right, 105 minus 20 of course gives us 85, and this gives us negative x. How do we get this x by itself? How do we get rid of that negative sign? Let's multiply that again by negative 1. That's how we get rid of these pesky little negative numbers that are going to drive us crazy otherwise. So here we're going to get a negative 85 is equal to a positive x, and that's exactly what we're looking for. X is equal to a negative 85. So negative 85 is the correct answer.